Hey everyone, Crash from Crash Customs, Lake Havasu, Arizona, and we have Dave's 32 Roadster Dearborn Deuce body. Get in the shop. In the shop for a little bit of mechanical work, door solenoid, repair job, brakes. Nothing major, but it's a pretty cool car. Got that traditional hot rod look, but with quality. Got the big commercial headlights, which I like the big headlights. Anyone that knows me knows I like big headlights. These are pretty cool bodies. For those that don't know, original 32 Roadsters did not have side windows. The Cabriolets did, but the Cabriolets had a pretty big, bulky post. They were not the prettiest, I don't think, but the Roadsters were clean looking, but they had no windows. The cool thing about the Dearborn Deuce bodies is they got side windows, and originally when you put the top down, the top sat up on the body like a VW Bug. The Dearborn Deuce bodies, this panel here folds up and the whole top slides down, and then that cover goes back up like a traditional late model convertible. So you get like the best of both worlds. You got a enclosed car with side windows, but you still got that cool Roadster look and that chop. Look at that chop. That's how they come. Small windshield. Pretty mean looking. Blasting down the road. Super nice. Washington blue. Door solenoids, legit leather interior, perfect color combo for the Washington blue. You know, the peanut butter guts. Tilt column, AC, power windows, cruise control. We put cruise control in it a couple years ago for them. Shuts super nice, like it should. It's got the classic look. Swan neck side mirrors. They look good on just about everything, all the way up into the 50s cars. All right, let's take a look underneath Dave's 32 Roadster. Pretty nice. Polished and painted, detailed out pretty nice. Nice exhaust, hush power, tubular center section, fully boxed rails. This time around we did a new master. The old one took a dump on them. Adjustable coilovers in the back. Just brakes all the way around. Nice painted axle. Pretty cool fill cap. Got lines to the master to a remote reservoir. That's pretty convenient. Pretty nice cooler there for the trans. Pretty clean ride underneath. I like it. Not over detailed. Floor pans are black undercoated, so shouldn't be afraid to drive it. All right. Here she is, shining in the sun. It's got a great look. Traditional Halibrand wheels. Bigs and littles. You gotta have big and littles on a hot rod. I'd probably go a little bigger because I like more obnoxiousness than the average guy, but that's me. Nice reliable 350. Look at that. Look at that chop. Oh man, it's like 6 inches in the middle maybe. Banjo style wheel. Super nice. Little back window. Heck yeah. All right. Take it for the last final test drive. Test those brakes.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. We really do appreciate it.